So this is lab 6. Lab 6 makes TGI server publicly accessible as a secure web server. We are implementing encryption in transit and server hardening. First, I'm configuring AWS security groups. I need inbound rules and outbound rules. So for inbound rules, SSH is port 22, HTTP port 80, and HTTPS port 443. I'm using CID orientation 0.0.0.0/0 to allow any IPv4 address. This means all 4.3 IPv4 addresses can connect. For a public e-commerce site, this is necessary. The outbound rules and inbound rules mirror each other. So for DNS, I'm using no IPs free dynamic DNS. Since AWS IPs change when instances stop or start, a static domain name ensures customers always find us. I'm signing up with my ADA email, as you can see, and creating a hostname. I'm installing the no IP update. I'm installing the no IP update client from source. This requires the command make. After compiling with make and installing with sudo make install, I configure it with my no IP credentials. I'm creating a systemd service. So no IP2 starts automatically. The service file specifies systemctl daemon reload picks up the new service. Enable sets it to start on boot and start run set now. Now installing the Apache. I use the command sudo apt install Apache 2, and then I use the command dpkg-s Apache 2 to confirm the installation, and then I use the command systemctl enable Apache 2 and the command systemctl start Apache 2 to get it running. Then my domain, I tested my domain. It shows the Apache default page, which looks like this, as you can see, but it's not secure. HTTP sends plain text. So for HTTPS, I'm installing Python 3 certbot. I'm installing Python 3 minus certbot using the command apt sudo apt install Python 3 minus certbot minus Apache, and so that's gonna encrypt. Provides free certificates valid for 90 days, encouraging automation. I enter my ADA email, agree to terms, and select my domain. Reloading. After I reload the padlock, after I reload the padlock appears, as you can see. Now all traffic between DGI's customers and the server is encrypted with TLS. This protects passwords, payment details, and personal data from eavesdropping. This implements confidentiality and integrity for data in transit.